Hey guys, I'm Sam and I lost a bunch of weight eating one keto meal a day for 28 days. In this series, you'll see my weight loss progress day by day, as well as each delicious recipe I made along the way. Righto, day one, and we have creamy chicken stir fry. So first thing we're going to do is melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a nice hot pan on a medium-high heat. Once that's all melted in, we're going to melt in 50 grams of butter. Get that all melted in, and then we're going to melt in 450 grams of diced up chicken thighs. We're going to stir that around until it's nice and golden brown, and then next thing we're going to melt in is a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic, and then 1 big red chili, all chopped up into little pieces. Righto, so yeah, we're just going to stir this around for like a minute or so, or until the garlic starts to get nice and fragrant. Then from that point, we're going to add in our veggies. So we've got 100 grams each of broccolini, asparagus, and cauliflower. And we're just going to stir that in, and basically we're going to cook it now for about 20-25 minutes, sort of continually, stir frying it in. Until the veggies are nice and soft to your liking, and obviously the chicken is definitely cooked. Then once we're happy with that, we're going to add in 50 grams of Parmesan cheese and just stir that in. And then once that's all melted in, we're basically going to turn off the heat and then add our last ingredients, which is thickened cream, making sure we're burn ourselves on the edge of the pan. That's always helpful. And we're just going to stir this through, and then it's pretty much done. So next thing's left to do is basically serve it up and enjoy. So this is it, our creamy chicken stir fry, albeit a savoury one. So this meal was about 1800 calories, which I calculated to be about a 40% calorie deficit of my average daily intake. So let's see how she tastes. Oh no, this is terrible, you don't want any. Nah, just kidding, this is actually really delicious. It's really one of my favourite recipes actually. One point to note though is I definitely recommend using unsalted butter, but it's still good if you use salted butter. It just might be a little bit on the salty side for some people. So that's it. Super easy recipe, very delicious, and yeah, I'm just going to tuck into this as quick as I can before someone comes and finds me and asks me to share. So catch you later. Delicious. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're keen to see how much weight I lose at the end of the 28 days, and you're keen to see more of these delicious recipes, hit that subscribe button so you can catch every episode, including the next episode, which is going to be absolutely delicious. So I'll give you a hint. It looks like this. I'll catch you later.